Hi, it's Christine from Periwinkle Planner Co. And today I'm going to flip through my February 2023 planners. This is the A5 size, and I have recoiled it, and I have the compact vertical and the daily duo and do they call them intention journals? I'm not sure. It's the A5 size journals that you can get from Erin Condren. They're all specific to different things. The one in here that I'm using is called Daily Intentions. So if we go to February, this was the month of February. Love these stickers. And these stickers are all from my shop. It was Periwinkle Planner Co., but now the digital sticker part has gone over to Sage Sticker Company. Both on Etsy. Both links are down below. So that is how February turned out. And I don't really use the dashboard too much. I kind of did, but kind of didn't. Put a quote down here. And then here is the first week. And the second week. This was like my favorite design. And I went back in afterwards and stuck more stickers on the empty spots. That's why it's so full. Here is Valentine's week. And the third week of February. Yep. And then the fourth week is a February, March kind of combination. So that one is over here. And that is currently where we are right now. Friday, the 3rd is today. So then after that, I have the Daily Duo in here. This one I just use for my social media and EC Squad things that are happening. All these things have happened already, so it's okay that you're seeing them. This is just kind of a brain dump, messy brain dump. And then the first was actually back here, I believe, so I didn't, where is the first? I'm not sure why this one's blank. I did plan for it somewhere in here. Well, whatever. Here's the second. And then the 3rd and the 4th. The 5th. Now this in February, I did slip in some notes pages like how it should be set up in the daily duos that you buy. I hadn't done that in January and I didn't really like it. So I wanted to make the pages when they're facing each other match. So now it works. So here is the second week. And all of these designs in the Daily Duo coordinate with the compact vertical for that week also. And see, this is why I need that extra page, because I do a lot of brain dumping. So this is Valentine's week. Didn't get filled out as much some of these days. Some days were really busy, some days weren't so busy. Again, use that brain dump. And I started not using these boxes down here. I don't really like them anymore. So I want to change that up for March. I already have all the stickers made for March though, so I don't know if that is going to happen yet. So this is the last week, I believe, or 3rd week, maybe. Last week. And then we get into March. And I don't have March in here because I am starting, I shouldn't say that. I have the first week of February, March right here, because here's still Monday and Tuesday of February, and then Wednesday starts March, Thursday, and today is Friday the 3rd. And then next week starts in my new setup, which will be another video on this channel. And then I have March or February in here. Let's see where that starts. I think right here. There's February in here. Some very strong highlighter was used that day. So this I just journaled every single day. Sometimes I didn't completely fill out the boxes, but I did journal. And I had a lot to say on some days, like here. And not so much on other days. Not real pretty, but I just need a place to write my thoughts. So that's what I've been using these guided journals for. Now today's Friday, and we're already into March, so this is just finishing out before Monday. So that was February 2023 in my A5 Frankenplanners, I guess you call it. from Erin Condren. So until next time, bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to be notified every single time that we upload. Bye. We'll see you in the next one.